Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you how to see who visits your Instagram profile. In order to do it, you first need to launch your Instagram mobile application, then tap on your profile icon that would be in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you need to make sure that you are using a business account or a professional account and you are not using the normal account. So first we need to switch our account to the professional or the business account. For that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you just have to simply scroll down and try to find the account that you are using. So here you just have to scroll down and then tap on the account types and tools. Here it will show you which type of account you are using, so you just have to simply tap on switch to professional account, and then you just have to simply press continue and continue again. After that, it will ask you to describe who you are, so you just have to simply select any of the description from this given list, and then you just have to simply press next. After that, it will ask you whether you want to create a creator account or a business account. So I would recommend you to go with the creator account if you are if you don't have any business or something. So as you can see that this is my creator account, and now it is showing me some of the other options like edit profile and share profile. Now in Instagram, there is no actually an option that would help you to see who visits your Instagram profile, but there is a workaround of this thing. For that, what you can do is you can simply create a story and put it on your profile, and you can even set it for that particular person whom you want to see whether they have visited your profile or not. So whenever they view it, you will be able to see in your story that the person has viewed your story. It simply means that they have definitely viewed your Instagram profile as well. So this is the workaround of this thing. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Until then, bye.